Here's your weather video for this Sunday, December the 12th. I'm meteorologist Bill Murray, and we can see all the way out to Christmas. We'll talk about the holiday week in just a moment, but still our hearts are broken for our friends to the north and northwest of Alabama, from parts of Arkansas through western Tennessee into western Kentucky, extreme southeastern Missouri, and a large part of Missouri as well. Over 30 tornado reports Friday night and early Saturday morning, producing a lot of casualties, maybe as many as 100 plus fatalities. Could end up being the at least in the top 10 on deadliest tornado day since 1950. And the event was well forecast. A week in advance, talking about it. Well placed outlooks by the Storm Prediction Center. Tornado watches out very, very early. All the local offices seem to do a fantastic job warning for this set of storms, and especially this one supercell. You look at things and you think, after about 75 miles, you think, well, that one could potentially be like a tri-state tornado, but no, there's no way that could happen. It's probably cycling up and down. Maybe there's multiple tornadoes in a family here. But we're going to have a very, very long track tornado. Whether it breaks the 219-mile record from the 1925 tornado will remain to be seen, but over 100 fatalities is what we think we're going to end up at before this is over with, and that's just heartbreaking. You know when you're looking at the radar that people are dying, and there's nothing you can do. But fortunately, some good calm weather for the next several days. Nothing major like that. No severe weather at all, as a matter of fact. It did reach 82 degrees yesterday in Montgomery, a record high for the day, along with many other locations along the eastern seaboard. But temperatures crashed during the afternoon and evening hours. Temperatures now this morning in the 30s over North Alabama, some 40s to the south. Some folks flirting with freezing up in the northern part of the state, but clear skies, high pressure in charge, lots of sunshine today, and temperatures will warm back into the middle and upper 50s across Alabama today. Should remain sunny all day as that high pressure remains large and in charge. New work week starts tomorrow. High pressure beginning to slide to the east. We'll see the warm-up actually start even as early as tonight. Southeasterly winds will start pumping in warm air by early morning. Places southeast Alabama tonight will be in the middle and upper 40s. Most of us here in north central Alabama, though, in the lower and middle 30s, as will be near freezing once again. But Monday promises to be a sunny day again. Temperatures running about 10 degrees above normal by the end of the day. Will be in the middle 60s across much of north and central Alabama. Tuesday, you really see the moisture surge into the Arklatex. Some of the precipitable water values out here hitting over 200% above normal, or 200% of normal by Tuesday. We see a few showers break out as a result. They're across parts of Texas, Arkansas, even into western Mississippi, or western Tennessee, northern Mississippi. Here in Alabama, we're going to be quite nice. Temperatures running some 10 to 15 degrees above normal. Partly cloudy skies. We'll start off around 43. Most spots, on average, ending up around 68 degrees. On Tuesday. Now, by Wednesday, the ridge over the eastern United States intensifies, and the chicken or the egg, the trough over the west also deepens. Low there over Nebraska, and we see moisture surging to the north. We're well above normal in terms of precipitation or moisture over Alabama, at least by precipitable water standards. We'll see low clouds, partly sunny conditions. Temperatures warming up a few more degrees, beginning to approach 70 across much of the area as temperatures average some 15 to 20 degrees above normal. Well, really 10 to 15 degrees above normal, I guess, is more like it. But then by Thursday, we've got a trough moving into the Great Lakes. Upper low cutting off over Mexico as we develop a split flow across North America in the upper air pattern. And that upper trough developing there over the Great Lakes pushing into Canada will propel a front our way. Here you see Thursday afternoon, a few showers and thunderstorms moving into some of the regions that were hard hit by the tornadoes of Friday night and Saturday, reaching the Memphis area. We might see a shower But we certainly will see increasing clouds. We'll be, again, well above normal temperatures in the lower and middle 70s. Now, by Friday, that trough has moved on off. Its influence over the front is waning by that point, and we see another disturbance coming out of the southwestern upper low. And as that begins to happen, the front will retreat to the north. This is Friday at noon. Temperature is going to be in the lower 70s. That high pressure over the eastern seaboard stubbornly remaining in place. That warm front lifting to the north. Showers will be likely across parts of Arkansas, Tennessee, moving into Kentucky. Will be partly cloudy here with a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm. Well, probably not even a thunderstorm, probably just a shower possible. Saturday, that disturbance pushes on off to the northeast. The front gets a little bit of its mojo back. Moisture increasing along the front leads to increasing rain chances. We'll call for that front to be dropping into North Alabama during the day. Will be mostly cloudy, a chance of rain. About a tenth to 1500ths of an inch of rain as that cold front probably slides down to about I-20 before it begins to go back northward again. See a pattern here? High pressure over much of the United States. That fast-moving disturbance coming out of the southwest, though, is causing mixed rain and snow across New Mexico, Texas, into Oklahoma. Some freezing precipitation in that area as well. We'll watch that closely. Could see a shower across Alabama on Sunday. Rain chances less than a tenth. But it looks like the main rain activity will come on Monday of the holiday week. This is Monday the 20th at noon, showing front down into Alabama. Any wintry precipitation stays to the north. We've got fairly widespread rain here across Alabama. It looks like that's going to continue into Tuesday. Looks like the rain will end late Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday night. Temperature's going to be much cooler behind this front. And then we'll move on out. It looks like Wednesday probably is a dry day, but by Thursday, rain chances begin to increase again. So here's another rainmaker moving into Alabama. Really late on the 23rd into early morning hours of Friday the 24th. And that front will finally get the push it needs to push into the Gulf of Mexico and South Florida. This is noon on Christmas Day, showing much colder conditions, high pressure building in the Ohio Valley, the Mid-Atlantic, and the South as some fair weather begins to take control of our weather again. Here's the temperature roller coaster showing those middle 50s today, lower 60s tomorrow, upper 60s by Tuesday. We'll be flirting with 70. Our warmest day comes on Friday when GFS is calling for 74. And the temperatures will crash on the back side of the front. Maybe only 45 on that Tuesday the 21st. 50s there around Christmas Eve, with probably only middle 40s on Christmas Day, and maybe 30s the highs on Saturday or Sunday the 26th and Monday the 27th. We'll start off tomorrow night on the Weather Brains podcast talking about this big tornado outbreak. Our friend Spencer Denton will join us. And we'll talk to a hotel manager in Kentucky who is faced with the daunting prospect of ominous weather warnings on Friday morning, forecast for Armageddon, asking the question, could this really happen? Getting the answer yes, and taking steps to protect his guests. That'll be on Weather Brains Monday night. The main Weather Brain Monday evening will be Dr. Candace Boyd. We've been waiting to have her for a long time. An amazing woman and a pioneer in the field of meteorology for women. So we'll be talking to Dr. Boyd on Monday night on the Weather Brains podcast. Well, that's your weather video for this Sunday, the 12th of December. Got notes on the blog. I'll update the forecast as we go through the morning. Have a complete new updated forecast for you by noon. We'll be tracking all the damage surveys coming out of all those affected National Weather Service offices. James will be here with 2-a-days starting tomorrow. Scott will be back next Saturday. I'll see you Sunday as James gets ready to head on vacation, and we'll be doing all the videos while he's gone during that holiday week. Hope you have a great day today and a nice week ahead. So until I see you next Sunday, as I always tell you, keep an eye to the sky because you'll always have something fun to look at.